Xinxiang Yulong Textile Co. Limited, specialized in researching and marketing functional fabrics and clothes. Our related factory is a professional manufacturer of clothes in the north of China. The annual production of 1 million sets of quality clothes. Our main products are pro-band flame retardant fabrics, fluorescent fabrics, anti-static fabrics, anti-acid alkali fabrics, and the corresponding functional clothing, which all reach the standard of Europe and America. Our company has passed ISO 9001:2015, Ecotech Standard 100, UL, and have been tested by SGS, Intertech. Our products also used by military of UK and Ireland and reached EN 11611, EN 11612, EN 20471, NFPA 2112, ASTM F1959. Yulong Textile owns the Advanced Testing Center, professional after-sales service team. In order to satisfy our customer, we purchase superior quality and cheap raw materials from the whole China. We have an outstanding and energetic foreign trade team. Our marketing concept is everything we do it for you, and make you enjoy the quality service as you get on the plane. We also work for the development of environmental finishing technology for functional fabrics. We always pay attention to the development of environmental finishing technology and make a better day with you. We sincerely hope to establish business relationships with friends from around the world and to create a bright future together with your firm. Welcome to visit our company to check our products anytime.